guys, today we have this super cute, super easy and a very fast tutorial today. These mini bows are adorable and it will take you no time to make them or learn the pattern, as a matter of fact. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this cotton yarn today. It's a cotton yarn that I use normally for my amigurumi project, and it's a 4.5 millimeter hook. To get started, I'm going to do a slip knot. Now let's go ahead and slip stitch into our first chain to create a loop to work into. Here we go. Next up, we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to do a quadruple crochet. So yarn over, and a third yarn over. So you have your 3 yarn overs plus your stitch here. Insert your hook into the center, pull up a loop, and then you're going to do yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yarn overs and 4 pulling through. That's your quadruple crochet. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. Go. Okay, and we're going to do that a total of 6 times. So let's go ahead and work it together. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it one more time. 3 yarn overs, okay, so I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quadruple crochet, and then you're going to do a chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you will single crochet into the center, give it a nice tuck, and that's one side of your bow already done. See how easy it was? So let's do the same on the other side. We're going to do chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do some quadruple crochet together. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quadruple crochet. So let's chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and then single crochet into the center, and then you can cut off your yarn. I would give it just a little bit of length. And then when you fasten it off, I would go through all these loops here and through all these loops and pull it tight in the middle to create a nice and tight center. And that is your mini bow. I mean, didn't I tell you guys it was super easy, super fun, and super cute? Come on, you gotta admit it. Anyhow, leave me a comment. Hopefully that was really fun to you too, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.